Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrator access because uninstalling system components often requires elevated rights. Once ready, open Start and Type Settings, then press Enter. This takes you straight to the control surface. Next, go to Apps and then Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows build. Doing this places the list of installed applications in front of you, so you can find the Snipping tool and begin the removal process without delays. You now locate Snipping Tool using the search box inside Installed Apps. This filters results immediately so you don't scroll. Click the app entry and choose Uninstall, then confirm any dialogues. Windows will attempt a standard removal. If the Uninstall button is grayed out, make sure to check optional features for a removable package or switch to an elevated PowerShell to run the removal command. This provides an alternative pathway when the settings UI won't let you proceed. Finish by restarting Windows to let the system apply changes and release any file locks that block removal. If you used PowerShell, run getapps package *snipping tool *pipe to remove apps package to forcibly remove the app. This is effective when settings fails. If the snipping tool persists, run System File Checker and dism to repair system components, then attempt removal again. This fixes integrity problems that commonly block uninstalls and makes sure the removal sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.